Welcome to the world of black-rumped waxbill. Estrildidae troglodytes, red-masked exotic bird. Discovering the black-rumped waxbill. The exotic bird with a crimson mask, amidst the diversity of bird species. The black-rumped waxbill stands out for its beauty and uniqueness. This small bird is a member of the Estrildidae family and is known for its distinctive bright crimson mask framing its face, and a striking coral red bill. Habitat and distribution. The black-rumped waxbill originates from the Sahel region of Africa and has spread across the world. Its natural habitat includes dry grasslands, shrubs, and thicket forests between the Sahara and the equator, ranging from Senegal to northwestern Eritrea. And locally south to Liberia, coastal Ghana, northeastern Democratic Republic of the Congo, and northern Tanzania. Introduced populations seem to have established themselves in southern Spain, in the Lesser Antilles of Guadeloupe and La Desirade, and more tentatively in Martinique, Singapore, and possibly the Big Island of Hawaii. Distinctive features and identification. The black-rumped waxbill has a slender body with pale grey to sandy brown plumage. However, what sets it apart is the glowing red mask and coral red bill. The bird often displays a pink blush on the underparts, which turns to red on the lower belly. Compared to the common waxbill, the black-rumped waxbill's tail is mostly black with white outer edges, and the vent area is whitish. This is an important detail for distinguishing this species from other waxbills. Sounds and behavior. The black-rumped waxbill is known for its lively chirping and chatter. The characteristic sound of a flock often includes a long, soft-tipped, descending sound that resembles chi. Social behavior and reproduction. The black-rumped waxbill is a highly social species, often seen gathering in large groups, especially when foraging or resting at night. They construct intricate nests from grass and plant fibers, typically in bushes or low trees. In a single breeding season, a pair of black-rumped waxbills can produce several eggs, which are incubated by both parents in turns. Adaptation and conservation. Although the black-rumped waxbill has successfully adapted to various habitats and shown the ability to survive outside its original range, the species still faces threats from habitat loss and climate change. Conservation efforts are important to ensure that the bird populations remain stable and do not suffer significant declines. Interaction with humans. The interaction between black-rumped waxbills and humans is generally positive. With the bird often being an object of observation for bird enthusiasts. However, it is important to remember that, like all wildlife, black-rumped waxbills should be appreciated from a distance. And their habitats protected to support the continuation of the species. With its natural beauty and uniqueness, the black-rumped waxbill continues to fascinate and inspire us to appreciate the biodiversity of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope this video inspires you to learn more about the diverse forms of life nurtured by our planet. Remember, every creature, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the grand scheme of life. Let's do our part to ensure their survival.